Disclaimer, this video may or may not be accurate to the actual events of what happened in the Beowulf novel. This is just me retelling the script that was made during our school's version of Beowulf. With that being said, enjoy the video. Hear me! We've heard of Danish heroes, ancient kings, the glory they cut for themselves, swinging mighty swords in distant land, spreading their glory so their enemies cringe in fear. Now hear the hall song, heavy with dread, of Beowulf bold, by fate long led, across the whale road, wave by wave. He came to the hall the Danes to say. Hera trembled, harp was still, shadow stalker came to kill. Blood I drink, your bones I break. This hall of men is mine to take. No, back off. What? Beowulf? Fiend of the fen, your feast is done. My hand shall end what night's begun. Hall beams groaned, timber shook, sinew snapped, life he took, arm was torn, blood trail spread, Moors received the death doom tread. Yet doom still wait beneath the wave. Fate is patient, none can stay. So Grendel's mother, monster of women, mourn her woe. She lived in the murky cold, a place the seas beat at in waves. The blackness of night and wind, covered with mist where the mountain streams so downward under the earth. From the mere's dark womb, the mother stirred. Sea hag of sorrow, vengeance spurred. Ah, what a relaxing day. Who shall I... What? What? No, 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 no! My son lies slain. His blood cries out. Vengeance I take, none shall doubt. I will destroy Beowulf. You! Well, if it isn't Grendel's mother, bring it. Into the waters the wave rider plunged. Gold giver grim, glory hunter, war blade failed, bone house weakened. Death's breath brushed, fate hung heavy, on stone wall shone the giant's blade. Doombringer bride, death's cold aid. The giant's sword? Fall, dark hag, your time is past. The deep is cleansed, and your night is cast. One stroke fell, silence spread, waters hushed. Hag lay dead, yet doom still waits. Though halls are bright, fate shall find the strongest knight. Who is this so-called warrior? Beowulf? Ha ha! He will be no match for my ever-burning flames. The dragon began to rage, to burn bright with fire, with waves of flames rolling outward. A hot battle fumes pouring from his tongue. You cold, heartless dragon! The Geats protector, the prince of the warriors, was filled with grief and rage. He and the shield alone would meet that monster face to face. From stone keep stirred the flame drake dread, horde warden, sky flyer, scourge of men. Earth was blackened, night was red, ashes marked where cattle fled. Ha 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 ha! My gold is mine, and my fire devours. None shall steal, and none shall live. Old is my bone house, but heart is unbroken. For my folk I stand, though death is token. Shield grew molten. What? Sword was marred. fire roared high, the struggle hard. What do I do? Yes! Wait! Come on! What? Yeah, with loyal hand. The dragon was slain. No! But blood ran deep, the hero in pain. Raise me a mound by the railroad side, that sailors may say, here lies the pride. No fear I felt, no foe I fled, and now I go where all men go. Now doom has come, the pyre is high, smoke ascends to morning sky. What? No, this can't be! King Beowulf is actually dead? Hail Beowulf, helm of heroes, ring giver bold, dragon slayer, Grendel's bane, sea's great rider. Bone house broken, yet fame unbroken. Glory lives, though flesh lies cold. Then the Geats built the tower, as Beowulf had asked, strong and tall, so sailors could find it from far and wide. And the treasures he won were left there too. Silver and jewels back in the sandy ground, back in the earth again and forever. And then 12 of the bravest Geats rode their horses across the tower, telling their sorrow, telling stories of their dead king and his greatness, his glory, praising him for his heroic deeds, for a life as noble as his name. So ends the song, but not the glory. Beowulf's name shall live in story.